All right. So after this optimistic and very useful presentation of Olga, I would like to invite and introduce our next speaker, Kyrylo Gorokhovskyi from Kyiv-Mohylanska Academia. Kyrylo, the stage is yours. Please feel free to introduce yourself.
Hi, do you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, and slides.
1 second, I will help you. Yeah, here we are.
Okay, thank you. My talk dedicated to our program, Mastering Blockchain Technology. A little bit about me. I'm experienced CEO and CTO roles with over 20 years in IT industry in software development. I'm teaching blockchain software development in our university since 2017. And first 5 years it was bachelor courses, basics of blockchain technology and cryptonomics, mostly dedicated to use cases of crypto in economic-based projects. I am a winner as team member in several challenges at blockchain UI hackathons. Challenges by Near protocol, by EOS, and some other blockchains. This year, I'm set up with my partner, petrol company, BRKS Labs, BRKS because it's not Galera. And we are boutique for Web3, AI, and cybersecurity projects. It's a product company. We won this year at ETH Kyiv hackathon track by Yellow with GPU Flex project. And my students get several awards and mentions at Solana and Internet Computer Protocol hackathons. And my research interests are explainable AI, neuro-symbolic AI, edge computing, AI agents, and climate technologies, all this based on Web3 as trust layer. It's my research area. And I'm also engaged into quantum machine learning projects as a researcher and advocate for Ukrainian quantum community. So a little bit about Web3 projects we developed and developing already. GPU Flex is distributed AI infrastructure. It allows machine learning or data science engineer to rent idle GPUs available in the system, to rent a Neuro model, and to buy or rent some datasets, and all this working in distributed ecosystem. And monetization via tokens compensate efforts of system participants. Idea Forge is developed to help programmers to become IT entrepreneurs. It's a tool which I could say it's a combination of edutech and startup tech. So it accelerates startups and have crypto crowd investing model. Cybersecurity at the space, it's a reporting system for incidents based on Solana blockchain as Anchor. Proof of recycling. Okay, I wouldn't stop on all projects. It's seen on slides. Many of them appeared in our life as hackathon activities. and then developed into products. Some sold as white label solutions, some we developing together with partners like Green Hydrogen NFT marketplace dedicated to European market of green hydrogen. Lemon Bridge is bridging assets between Ethereum and Cedra move-based blockchain. So about our program, it comprises of launched in 2023 because of partnership of Kyiv-Mohyla Academy and cryptocurrency exchange Whitebit. Its mission to prepare NaUKMA master students for career in Web3, meaning that before I teach just course smart contract development or basics of blockchain, and with growing industry, we understood together with businesses in this industry that it's not enough for blockchain engineer or blockchain tech lead to know just development part. He needs knowledge of algorithms and economics of blockchain. That's why we designed course DeFi algorithms. So this is selective disciplines for NaUKMA masters. Actually, not only NaUKMA masters, because we admit also external learners who just pay to NaUKMA for this participation and also could get a certificate. So we added two regular blockchain disciplines. We added cryptography in decentralized systems, and we added basics of blockchain analytics, forensics, and compliance. Each discipline costs 3 credits of ECTS, and those who participated in all and passed all 4 courses get a certificate for completion. So our faculty is well known in Ukraine for high quality of our students. Most of them starting at third or fourth year of bachelor as junior or intern developers in different companies. They grow fast to technical leaders because we teach them to do so. Kyiv-Mohyla Academy is not only about software engineering, but also about leadership. And we closely work with IT companies and offering students jointly developed certificate programs in machine learning, cybersecurity, EOS, data science, and blockchain. And our partner Whitebit, who sponsored our university and this program, actually it was their initiative to launch the first master in blockchain technology in Eastern Europe. Actually, it's almost the one program in whole Europe, because I know only for students of economy in ETH Zurich, they have a master in blockchain, but it's economically dedicated, not engineering. So we started with Whitebit, and we have 3 lecturers. Me, who's Solidity, Rust, and Move developer and senior blockchain solution architect. Professor Bogdana Linik, Doctor of Physical and Mathematical Sciences, responsible for cryptography course, and Sviat Dubovsky, Vice President for Crystal Blockchain, or it seems to me a new name. So let me a little bit disclose subject of our disciplines. Some courses contains of 8 lectures and 7 practices, and some are 9 lectures and 6 practices. So I would like to make acknowledgement that course DeFi algorithms based inspired me, Professor Sergei Kozlov, who works for Distributed Lab with his course for DeFi online course made in 2023-2024. I take a lot of knowledge from his explanation of DeFi algorithms. This course also based on a book by CoinGecko, How to DeFi, and also based on lectures of Professor Dan Bonich from Stanford University from his CS 251 course, Blockchain Technologies. So this is mostly theoretical course to explain on cases each of products in Web3 space. Actually, except wallets, but I cover wallets in first lecture. Yeah. Past year, most focus was to real-world assets and in stable coins. It's in digital product passports. It's understandable. So at practice, we use to enter Solidity space. We use Crypto Zombies, which is online interactive self-paced course giving basic to Solidity. We also use Solidity by example, and we using also Trust Food platform. It's a platform created by European Union to promote blockchain for food supply chain. We also put big attention to Solana, using Solana Professional Development Framework and Anchor. And we also program at Move language for blockchains which supporting Move. And Internet Computer Protocol actually this year, by end of year, left Ukraine space. So they not support anymore Internet Computer Protocol Hub Ukraine. But technology is still very interesting and promising. So I continue to promote it even as they don't support local developer ecosystem. So of course, smart contract development, smart contract development continues in Spring, and it covers design patterns for Ethereum smart contracts. So it's half Ethereum and then still some Solana, ACP, and Move. And this course, I couldn't say it's lectures. It's I would say it workshops. So we combine theoretical aspects and see immediate code implementation of these aspects, and then we have homework to implement something based on knowledge we get at workshops. And I welcome Web3 community and many of community members and businesses used this opportunity to conduct guest lectures for my students, to conduct recruiting events, etc. For cryptography, it's also a theoretical course with practical assignments, and we cover mostly both classical topics and topics related to crypto, as well as zero knowledge proofs. And mostly students glad to have such course at second year of master program. And that's the topics for practical assignments. And basics of blockchain analytics and compliance course by Svet Dubovsky from Crystal Intelligence. It's the most popular course in this master program because we conduct forensics of cyber crimes. We visit dark net, dark markets. We have a workshop one day from life of compliance officer, and it's a good balance of technical and general information, how different offline systems like banking system and fin monitoring and police integrates into programming products. Yes, they have practical assignments which allow to develop services which need to provide compliance procedures in their business, like exchange, OTT desks, etc., OTC desks, etc. And we do also on-chain investigations using Crystal Intelligence. So after completion of the course, those who finished all 4 courses get an NFT certificate of course completion on white chain blockchain. It's EVM compatible chain supported by Whitebit. And those who gain 100 points got a recommendation to Web3 companies, but Whitebit, as our sponsor, has priority in selection. And this year actually, graduates from this program, it seems to me they hired 2 or 3 students to full-time job. And as I was told, they're happy with their performance. Whitebit also helped us develop special tasks to check knowledge of Ethereum blockchain and smart contracts. And you could see a screenshot from GitHub with 23 pull requests, and taking into account that this is not a mandatory task, but it's a task of choice. And I had 37 students in this course, and 23 of them voluntarily do this job, so I'm pretty happy too. So what we do except just teaching, we conduct meetups and workshops for blockchain platforms, for blockchain protocols, for Web3 development companies, boutiques. In academy, last year we had Solana sponsored Web3 NaUKMA community, and they submitted about, it seems to me, 5 to 6 projects to Global Solana Hackathon. And some won university awards and other tracks. We participate in online and offline hackathons. And yeah, winning prizes during weekends. We conduct guest lectures. We could make a lecture not only for participants of this master program, but for wide Kyiv-Mohyla community. And we appreciate organizers for Web3 conferences for free or partly free attendance of our students to Web3 conferences. So I am ready to answer questions, if any. Or I could talk about challenges.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, the mostly challenge I meet in this job is regular upgrades of blockchain platforms. So, for example, if I do course in September 2024, this means that all this code would not work at September 2025. So I need to check all if you work with some stack like Ethereum or Solana daily, and you're developing smart contracts, you're developing dApps. So you're in stream with all these upgrades. But some blockchain platforms change so radically the approaches that, for example, I excluded from my courses Polkadot because I could not rebuild everything. And that's another problem is lack of maintenance of officially supported SDKs or repositories. It's actually a Web3 problem because in other domains it's hard to meet such obstacles. That some repo could be not maintained for 2 years, and it's absolutely useless. Some challenges also with online self-paced courses, because many of them became outdated in a year or two. So it's a lot of hand job, I would say.
Yes, that's understandable, and yeah, the process of migration and how to say this, the industry lacks the standards, right? If there would be, let's say, one or few, standardized approaches, this migration would not be such a challenge, right?
Yeah, right. But we have migrations mechanism. It looks like you just need to implement it in your project, and that's all. For some reasons, they don't do so. So, yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I worked with. I'm how to say this. I'm a researcher, but I'm from industry, right? And there are like kinds of reasons when industry just doesn't follow the best practices for various various reasons which projects are meeting internally. But that's actually a very interesting advice you gave to the community. I also wanted to ask, so there are a lot of initiatives which you highlighted, right? So what are and a lot of different target audiences. What are the best ways for them to participate, right, in these activities, and how should they do this? So should they contact you directly, or there are some some other processes and procedures they should undergo?
For Web3 businesses who want to cooperate, just contact me directly. For learners, external learners who want to pass these courses, they could also contact me, and I'll make a follow-up with our decanate, who will issue invoice, and after payment of invoice, a learner could attend course and get certificate. Yeah, that's quite simple.
All right, that's understandable. Okay, I think there are no other questions for now. I most certainly, and we, on behalf of our organizing committee, we appreciate your participation, and thank you so much for this great presentation. And yeah, I'm sure we will be reaching out to you.
Thank you for inviting me, and good
Thank
luck.
you. Yeah, good luck. Likewise.